This is the 8th video presentation for the Case Plant course. As you view this video, make notes of important information. Pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Potting Media Components, Lesson 3.1, Mixing Media. This presentation will examine the components of potting media. You have completed Part 1 of Activity 3.1.1, Sorting Out Potting Soil. Use this information to complete the activity. Growing crops in containers is very different than growing crops in garden or field soil. Often container crops are moved multiple times. Water may need to be managed differently as well. Cost effectiveness is key for whatever ingredients are used in media. Ingredients of a growing media are classified into three main categories: inorganic, organic, and enhancer materials. Each class of ingredients has a specific function in a media mix. The quantity of inorganic materials would depend upon the type of plants being grown in the media mix. Plants requiring a slightly more arid environment would require more inorganic material in the growing media. Inorganic materials such as polymer beads and rock wool may have little utility to the plant, and so these are considered filler materials. Organic materials degrade over time, but very slowly. They are lightweight and porous. These materials are equivalent to organic matter you learned about in Lesson 2.2, Understanding Soil Properties. Soil pH and plant nutrients should be optimized prior to planting. These soil properties are most often amended using soil enhancers, such as slow-release fertilizers, pH amendments, and wetting agents. There are many different types of slow-release fertilizers on the market. It is good to mix these in at the time of planting according to the directions on the bag. Commercial growers most often purchase potting media in large, loose quantities, called bulk, from warehouse suppliers. Home and hobby gardeners more often purchase potting media in smaller, packaged quantities from garden supply retail stores. Note the difference in units of measurement between cubic yards and cubic feet. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 3.1.1, Sorting Out Potting Soil, you will identify components commonly used in potting media. This will help you understand that potting media has specific qualities suited for container crops, such as using lightweight and inexpensive materials that provide essential components needed for drainage and porosity. Your instructor will share specific instructions for the continuation of the activity.